When Helios, the sun god, claimed the island of Rhodes, he knew that one day I will tell the story of an island devoted to a god who was absent when Zeus shared the earth among the Olympians. Once upon a time, Zeus and the Olympian gods waged a war against the giants, descendants of the goddess of the earth. The Olympians were victorious, leaving the giants killed or imprisoned in the deepest parts of the underworld. As a thank you, Zeus divided the earth among the gods. Helios, the sun god, received nothing. Instead, Helios asked Zeus for the land that would rise out of the Aegean seas. Rhodes emerged, and the rest is now history. Fast forward to modern times as we show you a breathtaking drone footage of the island that Helios called his own. We kick off our drone adventure with a view of the island's stunning beaches. Each beach offers its own unique charm, from the serene beauty of Charaki to the family-friendly atmosphere of Kyotari. A number of holiday homes and resorts are located along these beaches, offering a taste of nature and serenity. We then take off in the heart of Rhodes town, capturing both the vibrant new town and the historic old one. You can see the iconic Mandrake Harbour, one of the ports of ancient Rhodes. It served as the naval port and was known as the small harbour in contrast to the Great Harbour, which is the present commercial harbour. As you stroll along Mandrake Harbour, you will encounter iconic deer statues and medieval windmills. The Old Town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its well-preserved medieval architecture and the palace of the Grand Master. Rhodes was a maritime power and home to the Colossus. Today, it remains the largest urban center on the island, sitting on the northeasternmost tip. We head to Lindos, where the ancient Acropolis stands majestically atop a hill, offering panoramic views of the Mediterranean Sea. Lindos has been a significant site since ancient times, with its Acropolis dating back to the 4th century BC. This site was once a major center of worship for the goddess Athena. The Acropolis overlooks the village of Lindos, a charming and whitewashed settlement with narrow streets and traditional houses. The village has preserved its authentic character despite the coming of modern amenities. The village has many churches and chapels, some of which date back to the Byzantine era. Next to Lindos is the mythical St. Paul's Bay, where the Apostle Paul is said to have landed in 51 AD to talk about Christianity. Well, that's what he said. St. Paul's Bay has been a strategic harbor for centuries. Its natural enclosure by rocks on all sides, with just a small gap for boats, makes it a safe and unique harbor. The bay's crystal clear waters and picturesque setting make it a must-visit spot. Finally, we explore the captivating castle ruins of Heraklos and Asclepios, each telling tales of a bygone era. Heraklos Castle, on a hill on the eastern coast of Rhodes, offers stunning views and a glimpse into the island's defensive past. Originally built by the Byzantines, it was later restored in 1479 when the knights ruled the island. The castle was mainly used as a prison for prisoners of war and as a place of exile for knights who had been found guilty of breaking the law. The Heraklos Castle overlooks the village of Charaki, a charming seaside resort nestled in a picturesque bay. The village of Asclepios is located in the southern part of Rhodes. The village is named after the ancient god of healing and is home to another impressive castle, as well as a charming village that shares its name. As the drone ascends, one can see the castle's formidable walls, a testament to the architectural expertise of the olden days. The castle was built in 1479 by the Knights of St. John on the site of an ancient lighthouse and offers lovely views across the valley, providing a glimpse into its glorious past. In the Asclepios village, you will find a splendid church dedicated to the Virgin Mary, showcasing Byzantine architecture. Additionally, an old olive press has been transformed into a folklore museum, offering insights into traditional village life. Rhodes Island often called the Island of the Sun due to its patron sun god Helios, is not only rich in history, but also in natural beauty. While the Colossus of Rhodes is no more, its legacy lives on in the island's vibrant culture and history. This drone footage was shot in late 2023, so the blackened part of the landscape is the telltale sign of the wildfire that swept across the island earlier that year. A Beauty and the Beast kind of scenario in this idyllic island. Overall, we get to see Rhodes in nearly all its glory and get a glimpse of its status as the largest of the Dodecanese islands. As I review this amazing drone footage of the island, it does make sense why Helios claimed it for himself centuries ago. So that's it for the drone footage of Rhodes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did making it. What can I improve about the video? Do let me know in the comment section and subscribe to my channel for more drone videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.